Alright guys, just finished up another 2024 AT4 HD. Did the Cognito Performance Series on this one as well. 37 1250/20 Toyo RT Trails. Factory wheels. No wheel spacers are needed with this kit. We did mount the resis up on the top of the shock mount. This particular resi doesn't come with a sticker, so we actually cut down the sticker and add that just to make it look a little nicer. Minimal trimming to the front bumper here, and that's really it. And of course the valence to match, and that's it. It clears on the back of the mud flap as well. Really slick looking setup. Now the Performance Series is going to come with the resi shocks, Pitman and idler arm braces, and the upper control arms. That's the only difference between it and the standard kit. On the back, it's just a 2-inch block, resi shocks, bump stock brackets, and your brake line relocation bracket. It's a pretty simple setup back here. Now this one did come to us from Georgia. We always appreciate our out-of-state customers making the trip to Alabama. Alright guys, that's it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.